lend or borrow on Mutuum effortlessly. Here's how the system balances it. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Mutuum is a new DeFi, decentralized finance project that is coming into the blockchain to allow its users to maximize earnings while minimizing effort. Now, the main features and utility of this project is, number one, you can lend your cryptocurrencies. So let's say you have crypto that you want to deposit into a pool to generate interest from. You can lend it to Mutuum and earn interest on the crypto provided. Number two is you can borrow. Maybe you want to become a borrower. Create a loan from cryptocurrencies that you take from the pool. And the great thing about this is the borrowers, they give over-collateralized collateral in order to ensure stability of the pool. And at the same time, the rates are adjusted dynamically based on how much the specific liquidity pool is used. And this is the unique peer-to-contract model that Mutuum has that gives the ability to connect both lenders and borrowers at the same time in a shared liquidity pool. At the same time, Mutuum gives the ability for a peer-to-peer model also. Now, the peer-to-peer model works a bit different than the peer-to-contract because the users of the P2P, they lend or borrow directly speculative tokens through the protocol, and at the same time, it preserves the protocol's overall security. So think the peer-to-peer model like a marketplace where borrowers and lenders, they meet together, isolated in order to keep the security of the whole ecosystem. This approach also enables inclusion of assets which, typically they are not going to be added in the liquidity pool of the P2C environment because of their high risk. The third amazing feature of Mutuum is whether you are a lender or a borrower, you can choose from if you want variable or stable borrow rates. And this allows you to either have fixed, predictable repayments or benefit from the fluctuations that happen on how much the pool is used. With everything I shared so far with you, you can click the link down in the description and read in detail the white paper and the roadmap of the project so you can understand how you can either generate passive income by being a lender with Mutuum or get a loan with cryptocurrencies by being a borrower. A fourth benefit using Mutuum is its yield generating collateral. So when you provide collateral to the protocol, your collateral doesn't remain inactive in the pools. It remains actively engaged in the lending pools. And this allows you to keep generating yield for you and have more profit with the collateral you provided into the product. And if you're worrying about security with Mutuum, the dynamic rate model prevents the pool from depletion. So basically, the borrow interest rate is derived from the utilization rate. And basically, it indicates on how much capital is actively being borrowed compared with the pool's supply. So in simple terms, when there is a lot of capital inside the pool, interest rates are low. But when there is less capital in the pool, interest rates go up in order to motivate the borrowers to repay the debt they have. And at the same time, it attracts new lenders with higher yields. And even if you want to have collateral into the pool, you're not limited. You can have a multi-asset collaterals into the protocol, and everything works in transparent smart contract operations. Now, if you want to go through all the technical documents of the project, which I would advise you to do, you can click the link down in the description and you can read everything on how the project works. Asset integrations, protocol safeguard, market volatility, the price discovery, everything about bugs, in order for you to understand both sides of a lender and a borrower with Mutuum, how you can get loans and even generate passive income from this new DeFi project. To sum up, if you want to be part of a new DeFi crypto project that allows its lenders to deposit crypto and earn interest, borrowers to provide collateral and take loans, and at the same time the collateral they provide is over-collateralized to protect the lenders, then click the link down below and join the pre-sale of Mutuum in order to be one of the first investors and get the crypto at its lowest price. That's it for now. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click the like button if you found this valuable, and leave a comment with any question that I may not covered on the video so we can answer it for you. And click the subscribe button so you can get more valuable content like this one on your crypto journey. That's it. Thank you so much.